You ever yawn and your eyes start watering? Like instantly, tears just show up? You think you're that tired or about to cry? But here's the thing, you squeeze them out. Watch this. You yawn, your mouth stretches wide, your whole face tightens. Everything pulls, everything presses, and right around your eyes, pressure builds. Then, squeeze. The tears get pushed out, like pressing a water bag. They don't decide to come out, you force them out. So yeah, nothing's wrong. Your face just went a little too hard. Be honest, this happens every time, right?